Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and we are back with another spooler video. This video contains two different spoolers. It's Allure and BoxyCharm that we're going to be discussing in this video. Again, these videos contain subscription box spoolers. These videos educate on spooler alerts and product information. Alright, beautiful doll faces, in this video we're going to be discussing the Allure, and it's not a big spooler. It's just a new member gift. I do have, while supplies last, you can use a link down below and get you a full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. And I want to discuss with you guys the update on Allure. The Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month, but there's a price change. Everything in our world is changing, including Allure Beauty Box. Starting October 1st, 2020, the price increase is $23 a month. Now, you know, Allure does a great job of including new brands and products, but again, I've had a lot of you guys complain and tell me that that is a big increase you're not interested in. Comment below, let me know, are you going to stick with Allure? And what do you think of the price changes? I do have the September Allure Beauty Box spoolers. I have the full spoolers for you guys in the link down below because it is a separate video and we do not want to have repetitive content, right? So to avoid that, I have a link down below of the full spoolers for the Allure September 2020. And again, that is the full spoolers for September 2020. We also have BoxyCharm September 2020 spoolers round number 3. We have more spoolers for the September 2020 BoxyCharm base box. This is a base box, guys. The September box may include, again, the base box for September may include, we have different palettes. We have a pressed pigment palette, and we have, it's all on the screen, guys. I know a lot of you are complaining that I don't necessarily all the time read the products. It's because a lot of the times I don't pronounce brand names very well. So it's just best for me to just put it on screen and let you read it. Now the choice items for September were, I am going to give you guys those in this video as well. Just a quick little recap. Again, guys, these videos are for your spooler purposes, for entertainment purposes, for your spooler alerts. But this video is not really all that detailed. It's just a quick reminder for you guys to know about Allure and what to expect. Do not forget that Allure is upping their price. And again, we do have the spoolers for September and a link down below. I have a coupon code here on the screen for the base box if you're signing up for the very first time for BoxyCharm. And just make sure you comment below. Let me know what you think of these. And I do have giveaways coming up in the very near future. I have a giveaway coming up on Instagram soon as in today or tomorrow. And I have a virtual baby shower where I'll be doing giveaways as well. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away SEPHORA gift cards. You do not want to miss out on all these giveaways. I do have a link down in the description for my Dollface Squad on Facebook where I'll be having giveaways too. You don't want to miss out on that. And I have all my socials right here on the screen and down below, so make sure you follow me and subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye-bye.